Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play games through Steam. First, you will need to download and install the Steam client application on your computer. It's available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Once installed, launch the application and create a free Steam account. This process takes just a few minutes and requires a valid email address. Be sure to choose a strong, unique password for security. After creating your account, simply log in to begin exploring the vast world of PC gaming. Now that you are logged in, it's time to find some games. The Steam store offers an incredible selection, with thousands of titles across every genre imaginable. You can easily browse by category, use the search bar for specific games, or check out the featured deals. When you find a game you like, simply add it to your cart and proceed to checkout. Steam supports many secure payment methods, including major credit cards and PayPal, making purchases straightforward and safe. With games purchased, head over to your library within the Steam client. Here, you'll see all the games you own, ready for installation. Simply select a game and click the Install button. Steam will then download the game files to your computer. Keep in mind that some modern games can be quite large, often requiring tens or even hundreds of gigabytes of free disk space. Once the download is complete, just click play from your library to launch your game and start your adventure. Steam offers more than just playing games. It's a vibrant community. You can organize your ever-growing game library with custom categories, making it easy to find your favorites. Each game also has a community hub where you can find guides, news, and discussions with other players. Connect with friends, join groups, and even use voice chat while playing together. Steam also handles automatic updates for your games, ensuring you always have the latest version without any extra effort. Enjoy your gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.